Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to be talking about Zoho Commerce and how you can utilize this in managing your business. Now this is Zoho Commerce interface. Zoho Commerce is just like an online store. It is an online store where you can display your items that you're selling or your services, and your customers can place orders for the items that you have in your store. So now this is the dashboard. Right here is the home page. This is the logo for Zoho Commerce. You can search for your customers right here. You can do that in most Zoho apps. This is the name of your company. It's going to be displayed right here. You have your notification bell, your settings, your profile, and the 9 dots that takes you to all other Zoho apps. Now we have we're going to be looking at the tabs one after the other. But right now, let's talk about what we can see on the dashboard. Right here on the dashboard, we can see a breakdown of everything that is going on our online store. We can see that we have pending orders, returned requests, pending cancel requests, yet to receive payment, and out of stock items. Now all these things that we can see here are like breakdown and summary of everything that is going on in our store. So before you go to any particular place to check on anything, you can see you can even see the amount of visits you have from customers to your store in this month, and you can see the top pages by views and other informations as well that you might need from your store. So now this is your dashboard, which basically just gives you the summary of everything that is going on. Now we move on to the next tab here, which is your item. Now item here is where you add the things you sell. When you click on items here now, for example, it's going to open a form. Yeah, these are the things we sell. Now when you click on items here, when you click on the plus sign here, you can also use this plus sign here as well to add items. Now they are just giving an information that they have changed one or two things. Yeah, Zoho does this from time to time. They have upgrades to their applications. Now this is a new item. You can put the title of the item, the URL, that is the link to the item. Remember, it's an online store. This URL is auto generated. Then you have the category. You can categorize your item based on like say for example, you sell phones, you sell laptops, you sell accessories like chargers, headphones. You can categorize them right here. So you just add the categories and so on. You see, you can always add category right here. So you can categorize them and they are going to appear that way on your online store. When we are done with talking about this tab, we'll quickly visit the online store and see what the online store looks like. So we also have the brand, the units, and all every other information that is needed for your for your store or for the item you want to add to your store. Then after you're done imputing all the details, you can also upload the image. Then you come and you click on save, and the moment you click on save, that item is going to be added to your store. So I'm not saving any item right now. So based on our own store, these are the things that we have in our store. We have different Zoho tools that we have added to our website. We also have other MTech applications also that are on the website. So you can always access the website for any applications of your choice from MTech Mobile Hub. Now we also have categories, which is same with the categories we just checked on the item entry page. Then we have collections, and also we have item reviews where we can see review of items. So this is basically what you can do under items. Then we have sales. Now when a customer places an order from your online store, that order comes here under orders. So you have this, you have sales returns, you have carts, you can even see everything that is going on in your online store that includes a customer buying an item and adding it to cart without checking out. So you can see all those informations under carts. You can see sales returns, that's items that might have been returned to you, probably because it's not what the customer was expecting, or probably because they are damaged or so on. So we have sales returns, and you have customers here. You see the list of customers you have. So these are the things we have under sales. Now, next we have storefront, and under storefront we have the store itself. Now, this is basically where you do your web design. So now, for you to do your web design here, it's basically simple compared to doing your web design from the scratch. That's designing your website from the scratch. Now, Zoho actually provides a template for you to use to design your website, and there are other things you can just add. So when you come to storefront, you can always visit store right from this place to have a peek of what is going on. Let me just click on visit store so that I'll kill two birds with one stone. All right, so right here we have you can also add the logo for your store, the favicon that you want to be displayed on your store, and some other things that you might be needing in um, your store. To you can also add your profile, your social media handles also to your store, and you can do other settings as well. Now, when you click on pages, this is where you customize your website. Remember, it's an online store, so there should be a particular way you want your website to look like. So on this place, on this particular place, you can just go online. You can just go, you click on home, and you click on edit content. So when you do this, it takes you to the back end right now, where you are going to do all your editing and everything that is necessary for preparing your online store. So while that is loading up, we have also files. You can upload files that you might be needing in your store. Like I have a lot of pictures here, banners, and so on. So you can upload your files here, so that when you are designing your website, you just pick whatever file you need from here. You have your settings, you have your micro store, you have item recommendation, and so on. Now you also have marketing tab. This helps you to market your product. You have a mini blog that is embedded into your website, and you can also gift out coupons to customers from here. That is discount coupons and the likes. So let's quickly look at this to see if it is loaded. Now, this is our store. This is the main store that the customer is going to be able to access from his own end. The customer will be able to see most of will be able to see all your products, and they'll be able to add them to cart as well as checkout and make payments from the online store. Okay, so right here, this is the customer and this is the customer view. Now on this other end, we have your own view from the back end. This is where you do all your web designing, your editing, your changing of image, your changing of editing of text, and moving of things from here to there. So this is where the whole editing stuff is done. So back to the application where you set everything. We have the next step, which is reports. Now under reports, you can generate reports for any of the following categories based on sales, customers, activities, abandoned cart traffic, and so on. So you can do all this under sales, just like all other many other Zoho apps. You can always generate reports for different things that you might need. Now we also have integrations. Now these are different where you can do your integration either to Zoho application or external applications. You can also integrate your WhatsApp to your store and do a lot of things from there as well. So you have your integrations as well. You can also integrate Zoho Thrive with your Zoho store, whereby you can have an affiliate or loyalty program whereby you give you redeem, customers will be able to redeem rewards for particular points that they've been able to earn from or to get from your store. So basically, this is it from this video for Zoho Commerce. If don't forget to click on the link to subscribe, and if you're interested in Zoho Commerce, the link is just going to be posted in the description below. Thank you for watching.